This is a door jammer because your locked door is basically an invitation. Drop this, twist, and suddenly nobody's invited. This is a swivel faucet. Your sink routine is chaotic. Mine swivels, pulls out, and switches 4 sprays like effortless bathroom couture. This is a portable dryer. Stop babysitting soggy laundry like it's 2005. Plug, tap, and watch everything dry smarter than you. This is an open-top self-cleaning cat litter box. Your cat gets spay treatment. You stop scooping like some stressed intern. This is a butter slicer. Stop mangling sticks like a stressed raccoon. Drop, press, perfect slices of butter, done. This is a round coffee table. Your clunky rectangle is screaming starter apartment. This one hides clutter, spins, and instantly upgrades everything. This is a webcam cover. Stop living like your laptop isn't spying. Slide this on, stay mysterious, and effortlessly expensive online. This is a portable washing machine. While you're wrestling laundromats, I'm USB plugging luxury spin cycles in hotels, cars, anywhere. This is a door stoppers. Your doors are out here slamming like drama queens. Upgrade to silent, magnetic manners and effortless elegance. This is an outlet extender. Stop crawling behind furniture like a struggling intern. Rotate, extend, plug in, and live efficiently spoiled. This is a sheet holder. Your sheets keep running marathons. Mine stay runway flat. 1 install, 0 drama, permanently upgraded sleep. This is a key finder. Stop tearing apart your apartment like a frantic raccoon. Press, beep, found, luxury level laziness unlocked. This is a wrap dispenser. Stop wrestling sad cardboard boxes. Magnet it, slide once, clean cut, suddenly your kitchen looks rich. This is an over-sink shelf. Your counter chaos is embarrassing. It just suctions on, hides clutter, and instantly looks designer rich. This is a foot pull opener. Stop smudging cabinet handles like an amateur, tap with your toe, glide it open, stay effortlessly pristine. This is a beans bottle cleaner. You're still shoving sad brushes in bottles. I just swirl, shake, and bounce away grime. This is a mini projector. Stop hunching over tiny screens like it's 2012. Toss it, rotate, instant wall-size cinema. This is a water filter. Your tap water tastes like a public drinking fountain. Clip this on and suddenly you're Boujee hydrating. This is a shower speaker. Your sad phone in the sink routine is tragic. Stick this on tile, float it, upgrade your entire shower concert. This is a purse light. Stop digging in the dark like it's 2009. Clip it, tap it, instant heart-shaped spotlight elegance.